Galavastra Kritanjali Vaishnavani.
Gurave Gaurachandraya Radhika Vaitadale Krishnaya Krishna Bhaktaya Tadbhaktaya Namo Vandevacha Paditanam Pavanebho वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिसे हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधो जगत्पते गोपीश गोपिकान्त राधाकान्त नमोस्तुते तप्त कंचन गौरंगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी विश्वभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिय ॐ वृंदावै तुलसी देवै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्यवत्यै नमो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. So continue, we also discuss Sri Bhajan Rahasya, 8th Jam Sadhan, Ratrikalin Leela, night time Leela. It is called Sambhokmoy Leela. Ratri Leela Sambhokmoy Prem Bhajan. Prem means is what? Love. Yesterday is told about Prem. Ananda Mamata Vishnu, Mamata Prema Sangata. Only Ananda Mamata. One-pointed possessiveness towards Krishna. Actually, that is called the Prem, love. There are many definitions about love. Ananda Mamata Vishnu, Mamata Prema Sangata. No Anna iti Ananda. Not love going anywhere. Only one pointed with Krishna. That is called the love prema. Because this love, these were only used for Krishna. So this love prema as like a prema two sides. One is called Milan, another is called Vipralambha. Milan means meeting, Vipralambha means separation. As like one coin, two sides. Both are same value. No, but the Vipralambha, Viraha, nourishment, the Milan, meeting. No bina Vipralambha, no sambhog pushti mosunti yatha ranjita kasayitavas. No bina Vipralambha. Vipralambha, without Vipralambha, meeting will never nourishment. That means Vipralambha, separation, nourishment, the meeting. Give an example as the cloth when you put in the saffron dye, then delightfulness will come in. Again and again, if you put the cloth in the saffron dye, that will more and more deep color will come and delightfulness will come. In the same way, separation and nourishment, the meeting. So 4 types of separation and 4 types of meeting. And Purvarag, Man, Prabhas, and what is it called? Purvarag, Man, Prabhas, and Prema Vaichitta. So our meeting also 4 types of meeting. One is called Sankipta, Sankirna, Sampanna, and Samvriddhaman Sambhu meeting. So now coming to the Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur in the 8th Jam Sadhan, when he started sadhu, chanting holy names. And then spontaneous, the prem manifests in his heart. Sometimes he is crying, sometimes he is rolling the ground, sometimes laughing, sometimes and loudly he also laughing. Evam vrata sapranama kritva jatanurago druchid chitta uchai hasati atho rodoti roti gayanunmadavat nityati lokavajya. He started to also discuss things. Evam vrata sapranama kritva jatanurago druchid uchai hasati atho rodoti roti gayanunmadavat Nittate Lokavajya. And yesterday we also discussed this verse in the heart of one who adopts such transcendental bhav. Attachment for chanting the name of his most dear Lord arise and melt his heart. Now he arise about the condition of the general mass people, and he is beyond crying for their opinions and views. In a natural way, not out of patience, he acts of his. Sometimes he bursts out of laughing, and sometimes he says, and in the floods of tears. Sometimes in loud voice he calls out to Bhagavan, and sometimes with his sweet voice he sings Bhagavan's glories. At other times he presents his beloved standing before his eyes. He even started dancing in order to present him. So in this way, sometimes laughing, joking, this way. That means spontaneous, the Krishna Leela manifests in his heart. And sometimes meeting Leela, how Radha and Krishna they are meeting, when this Leela coming, and that time he is very happy. Or when Radha Krishna, they also feeling, they also separate each other, in that time sadhak he is crying. And so this katha, yesterday I also explained. And then Vishwanath Chakravarti, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, again also, ये Mahaprabhu mood, how Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifested his mood in front of Lord Jagannath, especially during the Ratha Yatra. During the card festival, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu completely absorbed in the separation mode of Srimati Radhika. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu that he was thinking, I am Radha. Now after long separation, Sudirgha Viraha, I am meeting with my beloved Krishna. And that time Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu raised his hands and cried and recited some verses of mundane poet, Kappa Prakash or Sahitya Darpan slokas. Ja Kumara Hara Sa Eva Hi Barasta Eva Chitrakchapa Stechut Melita Maluti Surabhaya Pura Kadamba Nila Sa Chaivasmin Tatha Vitatta Surata Vaparilla Vido Reva Rudusi Vitusi Turitule Cheta Samatkantate. The simple meaning about this verse. Firm faith in Brajlila is found in the verse recited by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. O friend, that beautiful one who stole my heart in my youth is now here. There are also the same pleasant nights of the month of Chaitra, with the same fragrance of blossoming Maluti flowers and the same cool, gentle fragrance breeze from the Kadamba trees. I am so the same, my beloved to some, and nonetheless my mind is eager for Arul grave at the foot of the Betosi tree on the bank of the river. River. Yeah. So in this way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he recited this verse. Everybody's mind will be disturbed. Why? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is sannyasi. In his life, never he talked in mundane talk. Raghunath Das Goswami also in Monosiksha, he composed this verse. What is it? Asat Varta Vesa Mati Sarvat Sarvashra Harini Katha Mukti Sarvat Muglini Opitakwa Lakshmi Pati Bomunani Braje Radha Krishna Sarati Monudu Ajasrananu Manaha. Raghunath Das Goswami very nicely composed this verse. For mind, always you engage to serve Divine Radha and Krishna in Braj. And you should never talk any mundane talk. The mundane talk, that is called the prostitute lady. Asad Varta, Vissa Muti Sarvasya. Then you lose everything. Asad Varta. Katha Mukti Sarvatma Gilin. Katha Mukti. Even you listen the Mukti Katha, Sankar philosophy, how to merge in Brahma, Aham Brahmasmi. That is called as like the mouth of the tiger, solitude. Katha Mukti Sarvatma Gilin. Opitaktva Lakshmipati Bhamnani. And also you should avoid the Katha of Vaikuntha Katha. So only listen what? Only listen Braj, Sarati Manido, or Radha Krishna. They also attach to each other and they perform the sweet aromas pastimes. Braji Radha Krishna Sarati Munido Paramajasra Nunu Mana. And always absorbed in Braj Katha. But now Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is reciting this verse Jako Mara Hara. That means one married lady. She is very young. Just after her marriage, she returned back from her husband's house to her parents' house. Then all her friends, girlfriends, asked to her, how are you feeling after marriage? That time she told this, Jo Kumar Haraso Evohi Barasta Evo Chitrakchapa Te Chit Mirita Maruti Surubha Pouda Kadamba Nila. Now married, this person. He is my husband. But honestly, I tell you, before my marriage, he was my beloved. Beloved lover.
Boyfriend.
Boyfriend. Boyfriend. Huh? But that now we are very easily meet together. No one criticizes to us. Both we are staying together, no, because now we are married. According to the rules and regulation of the society, we are following. But before marriage, then we hidden away meet together. And he captivated my heart when I was very young. That is called immature. Because he are using Jo Kumara Haro. That person, he captivated my heart when I was immature. Understand? So saying Jo Kumara Haro. And that time I completely intoxicated with his activities. And that time both also staying on the bank of the river Reva. Midnight we are hidden away and meeting together. The month of Chaitra means that is called the end of March and beginning of the April, India, Indian climate. And that is the month of Chaitra. Not cold and not also hot. Very nice, beautiful place. We are staying together. Nice, beautiful climate. We are staying in there. Midnight, both we are meeting together. No one can see us. Because we are staying in very nice, beautiful Betosi Kunja. Betosi meaning cane, as like very thin bamboo trees. And very nice, beautiful, that Kunja we are staying, we are sitting together. And midnight, 5-6 hours, and continue, we are staying together, embracing and kissing, and no one looking to us. Very nice, beautiful, full moon night, and the rays of the moon reflected on the bank of the river. And the bank of the river, the sand, so much, what is called, shining, as like silver, shining. And the water of the river making sound, kal 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 kal, ko and lo, kal 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 kal. Our heart also completely overjoyed. And sweet breeze coming, because that time called spring season. Chaitra Mas means spring season. And nearby one very nice, beautiful garden. In that the garden many kinds of flowers blossom, sweet fragrance, Madhavi, Maluti, jasmine, that kinds of flowers blossom, and sweet fragrance coming. Both are completely enjoyed, and with our Ramas pastimes. So Chet Melody one of the Paura Kadamba Anila, and very nice, beautiful Kadamba flowers blossom, flower is the years coming, and that time we also talked with mundane talk, Surata Vyapara Lila Vidhu. That time we talked about mundane talk, that is called Surat Vyapara Lila Vidhu. Surat Lila means even. That is called sexual stupid nonsense thing, Rasta. He is saying the Surata Vyapara Lila Vidhu. Reva Rudasi Vitushi Turtule Chita Samutkantate. And still I am remembering that first times, and my mind also want to go to that place. Now we're married together, easy we are meeting together, but that types of happiness, not we are feeling. Eh? When Mahaprabhu recited this verse, everybody's mind disturbed. So why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu recited this verse? This is mundane things, eh? Sexual things, stupid nonsense things. Why Mahaprabhu he is reciting? No one can understand. But Sarupa Damodar, he realized the heart of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Then Sarupa Damodar again and again inspired to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. More, Prabhu. And then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu danced and raised his two hands, and again he recited this verse. Sei to paranata painu jaha lagi madane dahane jurigani. After long separation, I am now meeting with my Cupid. My heart completely melted. Melted with lust. Madana dahane jurigani. Again and again this. Sarva Damodar again and again he recited the verse. Sei to paranata painu jaha lagi madana dahane jurigani. That year, Rupa Goswami Pad also came during the festival of Kar, Rathayatra festival. Rupa Goswami Pad, he heard these slokas. Then Rupa Goswami Pad, when he returned back in the cottage of Hridas Thakur, then he wrote same parallel verse. Priya Sovang Sahachari Kurukshetre Milita. That means when Krishna met with Srimati Radhika in Kurukshetra Lila Prasanga Lila. Srimati Radhika, she met with Krishna in Kurukshetra. After meeting, when Srimati Radhika, she met with her Sakhi Lalita Visakha, and they also asked, Hey Radhe, what are you feeling to meet with her beloved Krishna? That time Srimati Radhika, she told, Priya so ayam sahachari Kurukshetra militam. I am same Radha, or my beloved Krishna is same Krishna. Both here meeting together, but I am not feeling happiness. Meeting is same person, but happiness not coming. Why? Because here Krishna's mood is different. And Krishna's ornaments, Krishna's form also different. Person is same, but mood and his form different. What is the difference? The Krishna now he in Kurukshetra, and he is thinking, I am the king of Dargadish. This is. And his form is what? There is a Rajavesh. Rajavesh means form of king. That is called royal dress. Chhatra Danda. Raj Mukut, crowns on his head. Because he is king. And many kinds of, and that kinds of his also associates, parikar is there. And Krishna's very nice, beautiful, gorgeous dresses are there. Royal dress, Rajik. So Srimati Radhika said, I am not feeling well when I am looking at these things. Vrindavan Krishna is spontaneous. And natural form is there. Because Vrindavan Krishna is very nice, beautiful Tribhanga Lalit form. Tribhanga Lalit, three-band fold. Radha age Krishna ji rahe dandaiya, Tribhanga Lalit hoy, bhru na chahiye. When Krishna, he comes in front of Srimati Radhika, automatically Krishna also three-band fold, Tribhanga Lalit. Three-band fold. And he plays the flute. But here, no flute. Here in his what? Golden stick in his hand. That is called Rajadanda. If anybody commit offense, then Krishna, he will give punishment. For this regard, Krishna, he holds the Rajadanda. This is the symbol. Or Vrindavan, Krishna, he holds the flute. Flute transferred in here, Rajadanda. Look this thing. No peacock feather here. No Tribangala. Nothing. And Krishna in Kurukshetra, he is very serious, grave. He does not speak to anyone. Because always he is proud, arrogant. Understand this? As like if he in person very rich, lot of wealth of money, he is thinking other people are useless. He does not want to speak, they think. For this Srimad Bhagavad explained, 4% can't to practice devotional service to Lord. Who is that? Dhan, Vaishcharya, Dhan, who has lot of wealth of money, he is always very proud. Vaishcharya, and one who takes birth in the high class family, Brahman family or these things, he is thinking, oh, I am Brahmana, I am the best. Or who has a vast of knowledge, he thinks, I know everything. Or fourth, if you know very beautiful form. Srimad Bhagavad gives evidence this way. So in the same way, Krishna in Dwarakapuri, that is called the Kurukshetra is a part of Dwaraka. Now this mood is coming. Here Krishna not smiling, not speaking too much. And all his associates are the same. Understand? Brigadier, the chief, what is called? Commander of the army, they also making salute to them, to him. Salute dena jante ho ki nahi? Left, right. Salute dena janta hai kya? Nahi janta hai. Then going first steps, then again return back. Understand? 2 steps going, and left, right, then doing this way, then again 2 steps back. Have you seen? You can see the YouTube when they any Prime Minister coming or any higher rank officer coming that time, they also give salute this way. And first they are going 2 steps and again 2 steps back. Then left, right. So in the same way, and all his ministers surrounded him. Many horses, elephants, chariot, every day, whole day. Understand? Running around his big bungalow. His bungalow, understand? In his around him. And many armies. Bungalow is bungalow. Big house. And big house, big palace. And this way. And 1-2 kilometers completely empty place, very nice, beautiful. And here I went in here, Mexico. Where the president staying, and that part very far, and many also soldiers, they also guarding, and very difficult to see where is the person. And many houses, many also maybe 6, 7 doors. And if you want to meet with him, you have to cross 6, 7 doors. And many stories. So in the same way, Krishna in Dwarkapuri, in Kurukshetra, and making so much sound, and horses, elephants, they are making sound. Hati chinghar diye. And many kinds of sound of the wheels of the chariot. Grr, 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 grr. Because many persons coming, going, giving message to Krishna, and many security guards. Are Vrindavan? Very nice, beautiful place. Calm and quiet place on the bank of Jamuna. And only Jamuna Devi, she is making this sound, kal, 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 kal. And sweet breeze coming over the water of the Jamuna. And the Giriraj Govardhan is there. Many nice kunja is there. And cuckoo birds, they are making sound. And peacock, peahen, they are also dancing. Ke ka dhani going. Ke ka. Very nice, beautiful. Their symptom. Ke means who? Who can control to Krishna? Srimati Radhika. Who can control to Krishna? Peacock. He says this word K. This is peacocks, they are saying word. K ka. K means who? That means peacock male is saying this word. Oh, Krishna is very powerful. Who can control to Krishna? Understand? Then ka, female, peacock. She says, hey, you don't know, sit down. You told too much. Ka means Srimati Radhika. Srimati Radhika, she can control to Krishna. Madhamadadi Jovani Pramudamana Manditi Priyanuraga Ranjiti Kalavilasa Panditi Ananadhanna Kunja Rajya Kama Keli Kovide Kadakari Sasyamam Kripa Patakcha Bhajanam. How Srimati Radhika is beautiful. First, peacock, Mayur, glorified about Krishna's beauty. Then peacock, a peahen, Mayuri, she glorifies about Srimati Radhika's beauty. So in this way, Vrindavan, cuckoo birds, peacock, peahen, they always glorify about Radha and Krishna Lila Katha is there. Khagamirga ki kulo malaya batasa. Bhakti Kunda Radha Kunda Tata Kunja Kutiro Govardhana Parvata Jamuna Tiro. Khagamiga Kula. Malaya Batas. In Vrindavan, on the bank, especially on the bank of Jamuna, many deer, they are running here, then Krishna, black deer, and different kinds of deer, they are also running here and there. Are here completely opposite, only making sound, the wheels of the chariot. Ghar, 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 ghar. This day and night, and you cannot to sleep also. Only the making sound. Ghar, 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 ghar. Are Vrindavan? If you go Vrindavan, calm and quiet place. So Srimati Radhika, she says these things. I am same Radha. Now I am meeting with my same beloved Krishna. But both meeting is not, and happy no sweetness coming. No madhurya nahi. And no uddipan, no stimulation here. If you go Vrindavan, all kinds of stimulation coming. Giriraj Govardhan is हंतायोद्री अवला हरिदास वर्जो जत राम कृष्ण चरण स्पर्श प्रमोदो मानम तनोति सहगोप गणई पानीय सुजवस कंदर कंद मूलई. How is beautiful Giriraj Govardhan. And Giriraj Govardhan, he serves to Krishna with his body, mind and speech. Sadhu means he was this. So we think Sadhu Darshan, Govinda Darshan means this. So Giriraj Govardhan is the topmost servant. For this regard, Srimati Radhika is told, Haridaso Varjo. Srimad Bhagavatam discourses about three Haridas. Haridas is servant of Sri Hari, Krishna. Here Hari means Krishna. One is called Yudhishthira Maharaj. He is called Haridas Varjo. Because Yudhishthira Maharaj, he absolutely offered everything to the feet of Krishna. Juvang niloke batavhuri bhaga jesam grihanam basati ti saksat. Narada Rishi told Hey Yudhishthira Maharaj, how you are fortunate. Juvang niloke batavhuri bhaga jesam grihanam. In your house, Krishna, with the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Manusya Lingam. Now Krishna, Parabrahma Bhagavan, he manifested in the form of a human being. And now he is staying in your house and also making friendship with you as like your family member. Look is a one-word priti. In your happiness, unhappiness, always Krishna staying with you. Gudam Parabrahma Bhagavan, now in your house as like your family member. But you don't know your fortune. Do you know? Narada Rishi told, every day all the demigods headed by Brahma used to come to your house and taking the dust from your doorway. Chokhat, se dhul lete. Brahma, Shiva, Narada, Indra, all Dikpa, every day they used to come to your house and taking the dust from your doorway. Oh, Krishna is in your house. So Jay is saying this. Juvang niloke patavuri bhaga jesam grihanam pasatiti saksa gudam parabrahma. Though you are household. Now this very humble told, I am a renounced order person. I have no house. And also I got the curse, Abhisap, from Daksha Prajapati. I can't, Prajapati, not Daksha, Prajapati. I cannot stay long time. How long will you stay? Only milking the cows, Godhan cow. Look this. I cannot stay in your house also. But Krishna always stay in your house. So, Juvang Lulke Batavuri Bhaga. So, because why? Because Yudhishthira Maharaj, he served to Krishna with his body, mind and speech. So, Giriraj, so Yudhishthira Maharaj, he is called so Haridasa. Our Haridas Tara, that is called Uddhava. Uddhava also Haridas. Krishna himself glorified about Uddhava. Hey Uddhava, you are my most dear friend. Most dear friend. Even I am not dear to my body. Even my brother, Baladev Prabhu, is not dear to me as you. Even my consort Lakshmi Devi, she is not so dear to me as you. In this way, Krishna himself glorified to Uddhava. Uddhav, he is very qualified person. He has many qualifications. Especially Sukdev Goswami Pad told Uddhav, how many qualifications? 6 qualifications. Vrishinang Prabhuro Mantri. Vrishinang Prabhuro Mantri. Vrishinang Prabhuro Mantri. Sisya Brihaspati Sakchat. और उद्धव बुद्धि सत्तमम Vrishnang Prabhuro Mantri. That means Uddhav is a prominent person in Dwarkapuri or Mathurapuri. Vrishnang Prabhuro Mantri. Vishnu Vamsa. Jadu Vamsa. In the dynasty of Jadu dynasty. So the Vrishnang Prabhuro Mantri, and he is the advisor of Krishna. Krishna is Bhagavan. But sometimes Krishna, he takes advice from Uddhav. Hey Uddhav, tell to me how to do or not. I will go there or not. Krishna is Bhagavan, no need to advise to anyone. He is Satantra Sechamai Purush. He is independent and completely independent person. But Krishna, he asks to Uddhav, you have to do or not to do. So Vrishnang Prabhuro Mantri, Krishnasya Daita Sakha, and very bosom friend of Krishna. Where is Uddhav? There is Krishna. Where is Krishna? There is Uddhav. Both are very close. Bosom friends means you cannot separate to each other. Uddhav life is very sweet. Before Krishna come in Mathura, Uddhav, he completely absorbed with Krishna. Uddhav, he did not see Krishna, but he always absorbed with Krishna. When Uddhav is small boy, 5 or 6 years old, that time he took one of the deities of Krishna on his chest and night time sleeping. He think he is my friend. The Uddhav character explained this. Uddhav, he did not see to Krishna before Krishna coming in Mathura. But Uddhav is spontaneous love and affection with Krishna. Look, so saying Krishna, Vrishnang Prabhuro Mantri, Krishna Sadaita Sakha. Or Sisya Brihaspati, he is the disciple of Brihaspati, who is the Guru of heaven, Sarvarupa. Or Uddhava Buddhi, Sattamam. Uddhava is very intelligent. He takes decision properly and calm and quiet. Uddhava Buddhi, Sattamam. Sattam, and Sattik Buddhi. This thing. For this regard, Krishna sent to Uddhav in Braj, hey Uddhav, you go to Braj and pacify my parents, Nanda Jasoda, they are feeling pang of separation from me. And give my message to my gopis. Gachuddam Brajesum, Pratimo Pradivavo, Mat Vyonangopi Gopina, Mat Sandesekoi, Bimurche. Just give my message to the gopis. They are feeling pang of separation from me. But Krishna came in Braj, but his mission completely failed. And Gaura Govinda Goswami Maharaj wrote this article. The Uddhav mission has failed. So now coming in this way, here Haridas, 3 Haridas. First, Yudhishthira Maharaj. Second, Uddhav. Or third, Haridaso Varjyo. Topmost Haridas, who is he? Giriraj Govardhan. Because Giriraj Govardhan, he serves Krishna and Brajavasi, who is his body, mind and speech. No one can to serve to Krishna as like Giriraj Govardhan. This thing. Guru Vaishnava Bhagavan will be pleased with you when your habitual mood will come. Seva vritti. Jagao, wake up your seva vritti. You are the eternal servant of Krishna. Jiver Swarup hoy Krishna Nitya Das. You are the servant of Krishna. Wake up, wake up. How long will you sleep? If you sleep, you cannot serve. When you wake up, that time you can sleep. That time you can serve. So what is regard Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu saying? Jeev jago, jeev jago. Gorajan boli. Koto nidra jao maya pisachil kol. How long you sleep on the lap of Maya? How long you serve to Maya? You serve to Maya, she will not please with you. This is true. Kam krodhe das hoya. Tarla dikha. You are completely the slave of Maya. But Maya Devi, she is not pleased with you. You are the slave of lust, anger. Kamadinam kadinam palita durnidesa tesang jatave not tropa no upasanti. Not tropa no upasanti. You are the slave of lust and anger. And they are not also pleased with you. Understand? Not tropa no upasanti. Tropa means what? Complete word. What is it called? Nilajya. Shameless. Completely shameless. And never satisfied with you. Never happy with you. Lust and anger, if you serve, if you can completely surrender with your lust and anger, they will never happy with you. They are saying, Kamadinam katida palita durnidesa. Lust, anger, they are very strong. Yeah, you are as like their slave. Slave policy. Who are again and again beating to you and not giving any food, no water, no food. In the same way, conditioned soul completely the slave of lust and anger. So saying, Kamadinam kodita palita durnidesa. Tesang jata moi, no tropa, no posanti. They are happy with me. If you serve someone, maybe you will be happy. But lust and anger, if you serve your lust and anger, they will not happy. They will more. As like lusty person. Saying this. Saying this word. Complete person. So saying, Hey Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Kamadinam Kudra Palita Duni Desa Tesang Jata Vinatrupo Santi. Hey Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, please give shelter unto your lotus feet. Chaitanya Chandra Mamahit Kumudam Vikas. Hey Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, please give one good drop of mercy. Please give one short drop of your mercy. Then my hit kumudam, the lotus of my heart will blossom. As a rays of sun, a rays of moon coming, then lotus blossom. Hit kumudam vikas. So now coming in this way, Giriraj Govardhan, he serves with his body, mind and space. Seva Vritti. Guru and Krishna will be pleased with you when your Seva Vritti will come. Service or not. Seva. Giriraj Govardhan, he serves to Krishna different ways. So in Hanta Udri Avala Haridas Uvarju, Jat Rama Krishna Charana Sparsa Pramoda, Manang Tanati Sohogopa Gani, Panya Sujavasa Kandra Kandamuri. Giriraj Govardhan, he gives many kinds of fruits, roots, and also water falling down, and waterfalls come. And especially in summer time, very nice, beautiful, and cool water coming from Giriraj Govardhan. Or winter time, very nice, hot water coming. Giriraj Govardhan, he gives in these waterfalls are there. Many kinds of flowers in there, Giriraj Govardhan. So saying Kandra Kanda Muli. Giriraj Govardhan, he creates the, what is it called? The caves, Gufa. And where Radha and Krishna, they are meeting together. And or Raghunath Das Goswami glorified about Giriraj Govardhan. And Pramoda Madana Lila, Kandari Kandari Tesmannam, Idikila Kalanartha Lakna Kasto Dayor me, Nija Nikata Nivasanam, Dehi Govardhanotam, Anupam Manivedi, Ratna Singhasanurvi, Rojaradanu Senderenu, Sanghe Sirangui, Sahavala Sukhevi, Sankilan Sapriyang me, Nija Nikata Nivasanam, Dehi Govardhanotam. Giriraj Govardhan, where Radha and Krishna, they are meeting together and perform sweet amorous pastime. Bhajan Sila, Giriraj Govardhan manifested one kind of stone, just to touch one corner of the stone, then another corner stone was making very nice, beautiful sound. That is called Bhajan Sila. Mukut Sila, many kinds. If you go to Ratna Vedi, Dan Ghati Lila, all these, they are called the evidence of Radha Krishna's sweet Lila, where Krishna took taxes from the gopis. That is Dan Ghati Lila. Dan Nivartan Kunda Lila. If you go to Giriraj Govardhan, automatically all Krishnas and gopis amorous pastimes manifest in your heart. So now, so for this regard, and why is it? Because here Srimati Radhika is saying, now I am staying in Kurukshetra, where here is no Vrindavan, no that kind of Uddipan stimulation, completely dry heart, Suska Hida. So Srimati Radhika says, saying in his bhar, Hey Krishna, please come in Vrindavan. Vrindavan is your heart, Vrindavan is your house. Aner one more one Vrindavan, Mane Bone Ak Kari Jani, Tahati Tomar Padadoy, Karao Jodi Udoy, Tavi Tomar Purna Kripa Mani. Vrindavan, very sweet, Madhur Jadam. Without going Vrindavan, how possible you will get the happiness? So everybody come in Vrindavan. Hello Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki Jai Jai Sridhar. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare. Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Understand? एक श्लोक की व्याख्या करो ना समझ लगता है. जो कौमार हर, one who captivated my heart when I was immature. That is simple meaning of it. Jo Kaumara Hara. When I was immature youth. Immature youth. Youth not coming. And he captivated my heart. How possible? Who is immature, So how possible capture his heart? But here is in this verse it means Jo Kumara Hara. Possible. But why is saying this word? जो कुमार हर जिन्होंने मेरे कुमार काल के जो है हरण किया था। कुमार काल की कोई हरण नहीं कर सकता। When matured, that time captivated. Immature youth cannot captivate. One young girl, very easy to captivate the heart of young man, young boy. Same young girl cannot captivate the heart of small baby. But here the contradictory coming. They saying that Ja Kumar Hara. Kumar means is what? Immature youth. That is called Kumar. Kumara iti Kumara. Sanskrit word. Kumar means Sanskrit word. Kumar. We are writing those who are immature boy and girls. They are writing first is what? Kumar or the Kumari. Understand? Indian their culture. And if your son is below 15 years, that time they are writing Kumar. And your daughter should be right Kumari. Understand? Kumari means those who are immature youth. So now question is coming. But here in this verse, Jo Kumara Hara. Hara means store, captivated mind, heart. When I was immature youth. Taha possible. But here is saying Jo Kumara Hara. Good Premanandi. Hari Gurudev will not understand. Chant holy names. Take prasad now. 9:50. Today also. Yeah? I am thinking you are feeling. I am thinking you are feeling some cold or something. When you are feeling cold, then I am feeling. Huh? No. Take prasad. मेरी दादा की त्याग क्या बनाया? आज मैं उसी को में गया ही नहीं, बने नहीं वो।
But I thought I understood this.
Teenagers.
Teenagers. That's the right time to get to the heart.
But he's talking